You have a TCL TV and you want to mirror your smartphone on it. That's easy. We'll show you how it works. I have my smartphone here and I want to mirror it on the TV. And how that works, we'll show you in today's video. To do this, you just have to go to the home page and click on All View. All the way to the right, and here is this point All View. Here we go in, and this point is called Magic Connect. So, here we go in, and here we also see the instructions or what we can do. And you have the option of downloading the app here from the Play Store. By the way, the whole thing works for Apple as well as for Android. We click on Next Step. We do the whole thing again, transfer free content, then to the next step. Okay, and now we can get started. Either we do this with the app or with the wireless display. Of course, both devices must be connected to the same network. We click on wireless display and here we have the display. What we have to do. The instructions, so if you don't know how the whole thing works, there is the instruction again. I don't need that, I know how it works. Here is the setting. Here is the version and the right information. So we don't need everything. What we have to do is actually just pull from top to bottom on our smartphone. And here our TV should pop up. So I do that now from top to bottom and here on this symbol. And here is our TV already, that means just click on it. And we are connected here with Apple AirPlay. We have to enter the code for the first time and click OK. And then we are connected here and can get started here, as you can see. And that works absolutely great. So without a hitch, you can see here, I can scroll here and that is 1-to-1. Means I don't have any latency here. So I'm excited. Works really well. I can do everything here. Of course, I can also look at photos here. And that works great here too, as you can see. If you have questions about this tutorial, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.